Is it time to buy or sell Ostin Technology Group Company Limited stock? In this video, we are delving into Ostin Technology Group Company Limited. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one out of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Ostin Technology Group Company Limited as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 331.58% since we initially recommended purchasing Ostin Technology Group Company Limited just 44 days ago. This results in an average return of 7.54% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. For any pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, which was previously broken at $8.80, a level that may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $11.08 is anticipated to be the next potential peak level, establishing a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential increase of 466.76% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 310.21% to 453.08%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 10.45%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 88.16% and 10.45% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.07 and $9.96. Our latest daily update for Ostin Technology Group Company Limited includes the headline, "A very strong day for Ostin Technology Group Company Limited stock price on Wednesday." The Ostin Technology Group Company Limited stock price gained 5.87% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, rising from $8.52 to $9.02. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 7.69%, with a daily low of $8.45 and a daily high of $9.10. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 34.63% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume decreased on the last day by 1 million shares, with a total of 14 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $123.25 million. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $9.10, while the lowest was 78 cents. Currently, the price is 0.88% or 8 cents below the 52-week high and 98.11% or $468.88 below the all-time high reached on the 28th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $477.90. OS Therapies has recently made significant progress with its experimental drug OST HER2, highlighted by positive feedback from the FDA regarding its regulatory path towards accelerated approval. This comes after a Type D meeting that finalized the clinical endpoints necessary for the company's Phase 2b trial aimed at preventing or delaying recurrent lung metastatic osteosarcoma in pediatric patients. Earlier this month, OS Therapies also applied for Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation from the FDA. Such designations can expedite the development and review of regenerative medicine therapies, which is a crucial advantage in the competitive biotech landscape. These developments indicate favorable momentum for OST, translating into potential short-term stock price increases as investors often react positively to advancements in regulatory pathways and clinical validation. Additionally, the company's formation of a subsidiary to commercialize OST-HER2 for canine osteosarcoma opens up a lucrative market, potentially exceeding $150 million. Positive clinical data regarding the drug's effectiveness in dogs not only reinforces its viability, but also may lead to human trials, presenting a longer-term growth opportunity for the company. Lastly, the issuance of a U.S. patent protecting OST-HER2 manufacturing methods until the year 2040 ensures market exclusivity, further safeguarding the company's interests and encouraging investor confidence. Overall, these strategic developments likely create both immediate bullish sentiment and lay the groundwork for sustained interest in OS Therapy stock moving forward. Analysts have assigned Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited. The Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support could be expected at levels of $7.87 and $5.72. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom on Monday, the 21st of April 2025, and the stock has since experienced an increase of 440.12%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has also emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of this stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 46 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 71 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 45 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 50 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.52 and $7.13. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited finds support just below today's level at $8.52. Should this level break, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $7.13 and $6.90. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 650 cents between its high and low, or 7.69%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 7.75%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited, let us briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, suggesting that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited encounters its first support level at $8.52. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.77, representing a decrease of 2.74%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The relative strength index over the past 14 days is 88, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 45 days ago. Is Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited stock a good buy? Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited shows several positive indicators, yet we do not view these as sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, encouraging investors to either hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, June 26th, we anticipate that Ostin Technology Group Co. Limited will open lower by 16 cents and commence trading at $8.86. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.